Hello friends, welcome to Catch the Art. So today we are going to learn about how to make SpongeBob SquarePants in vector art and convert any internet image into your own copyrighted file, which has no restriction to upload on any platform because it's all yours. So let's start. So we will import image of the file which we have downloaded, like this file. I'm going to create this file in vector art. It's already created in vector art, but I will turn into my own copyrighted vector file. So let's start. So then you can create another layer and lower the opacity to make sure that each line you draw you will see it clearly. So I am selecting this felt pen brush set, so it's here. When you click this, so you will get. So now all you have to do is trace this whole image. You can trace this whole image, all the lines. These lines are your own lines. There is no copyright on these lines because I am creating my own image to upload. So it's a long process, but once you are done, then it's a very great achievement for you. You have to patiently draw each and every detail in the image, whatever image you are going to use. I'm using this SpongeBob because it's a very famous cartoon worldwide and most watched. So the SpongeBob designs are selling mostly on Amazon, Redbubble, like affiliate marketing. There are many sources you can sell this image. And for correcting these unaligned lines, you can select this option and select predictive strokes. So what happens in predictive strokes, so when you draw any line, so it actually creates like vector, like straight in one direction. So like you have seen what happened now. So make sure you have downloaded this app named Autodesk Sketchbook. It's available on Google Play Store, so you can easily download this app, and you can also get this app from description in the link. So this is the vector file we are creating. And the other main thing important is you have to download the image, a reference image which you want to reproduce with your own copyright elements. These lines, these colors which we are painting in this software, Adobe Autodesk Sketchbook, so you have to be sure of it that it's in good quality and there is no glitch or the white spaces in the design. You have to be sure about that the design is very clear and very proper and aligned. So because when we post this design on Redbubble or any other website, so it has to be perfectly in proportions and the measurements, because otherwise they will not be get sold or nobody gonna get order it. So this is the very important thing. And you can download any image and you can choose this method to make any vector art, and you can recreate like textures, patterns with single file. So I'm going to also tell you about this method also in next video. Make sure you have subscribed my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be get notified when my video will be uploaded on my channel, and you will be get notified. So why I choose the SpongeBob design? Because it's very rich in colors and it's all yellow, and mostly children books designs and coloring books. So you can also create designs to make sure that they are good in resolution, so you can upload it on Amazon merch, or you can use this design on any object. It can be anything. It can be a card, it can be a mug, it can be a printing on shirts, on your backpacks, or on your jackets, or in books, notebooks, whatever you want to be get printed this design on. So you can do this, and yes, it's 100% legal, and you should be aware that you should design your own stickers, and you can make profits of them. You would be thinking of that where you should upload this design. So don't worry, there are a lot of platforms you can upload. So what happens after we finish this design? So we will drag it to the Adobe Illustrator. It's a very famous software for creating vector art. So I am first of all making my designs on my phone. Wherever you are sitting in a cafe, or you are sitting in a library, or you are outdoor enjoying and having fun, but you are also designing on that ambience. So it's good to get outdoor and design on your phone, and then transfer your design on Adobe Illustrator. So it's a very fast way and a very smart way, because as you know, there are a lot of techniques creating vector art, but vector art is pure your own creation, because you create the lines with your hands, and you can make any art on your smartphone and then transfer your designs to Adobe Illustrator. And you can also transfer these files in Photoshop, and you can re-edit and make corrections in colors and lines, whatever you want. So you can transform. So it's a very easy method, and you should apply in your techniques, whatever you are working with. You should apply these methods, and you can also make good designs, because if you are only using one software, so it gets very hard for you to design it. You can also design this on Adobe Illustrator with pen tool, but it's a very hard technique. But if you compare smartphone and the desktop PC version, where the other person is designing on Adobe Illustrator, so you will be getting that the smartphone working person is, which are making designs on smartphone, these peoples are very fast and creating qualitative and productive images in a very few times. So you are saving your time with this method. So you should download these both, Adobe Illustrator and Autodesk Sketchbook. The links are in my description, not the Adobe Illustrator, but the Autodesk Sketchbook is easily available on Google Play Store, so you can get it from there. And there is a website, Redbubble. There is also my tutorial on how to upload your designs on Redbubble and make an account on Redbubble as an artist account, where you are creating your own artworks. So it's in my videos playlist, so you can check it out. And don't forget to share, like, comment, and give your feedback to get me better awareness of my videos. Thank you so much.